The Dust Shroud guides shavings from the cutter head into the blower so they can be thrown from the planer. Most problems with the plastic shroud are caused by larger chips cracking it. Replacing the Dust Shroud is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cover from the planer. It's secured with 4 screws. I can use the wrench that came with the planer for replacing the knives to remove these screws. Now I have access to the Dust Shroud, and I can go ahead and remove it. It's secured with the 3 red knobs. Once the knobs are removed, I lift the shroud slightly and then just pull it to the side. Now I can install the new Dust Shroud. I'll align the mark that indicates that the shroud is open with the mark on the blower housing. Then I just push the shroud into the blower housing and rotate it down. And now I'll secure it with the 3 red knobs. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. That's all it takes to install a new Dust Shroud on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.